Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody, and good evening to you. As we wrap up this Thursday today, we're going to have, I think, a beautiful sunset outside. Sun's already getting lower on the horizon. We're starting to see a little orange out there, and I think we've got just enough little cirrus clouds in place that are really going to make for a beautiful sunset tonight. So if you happen to be outside anytime over the next 30 minutes, be sure to take a look at that. You can see some of those clouds that I think are going to contribute to this kind of streaming from the southwest. They're all in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so kind of at the very top of the sky, if you will, and they're very thin clouds as well, but they actually can really paint some of those pretty oranges and pinks all over the sky when the sun begins to set. So be on the lookout for that. Other than that, though, no real clouds to be speaking of across the area. Things were nice and sunny around the area today, and that allowed those temperatures to really warm up. In fact, we made it up into the 60s today, 64 right now in Corpus Christi, 63 in Robstown, and 66 down in Falfurrias. Now, I want to take a look, though, at the temperatures across the state, because you remember just a few days ago, Amarillo was much colder than we were down here in the coastal bend. They were down in the 20s. Today, they're actually warmer than the coastal bend. 67 right now in Amarillo, 64 in Corpus Christi, and 62 in Dallas. So the entire state of Texas is finally making that recovery a little bit closer to normal. But let's talk about our weather pattern, because right now we have high pressure sitting right off of the Gulf Coast, and that is really influencing our weather pattern in that it's bringing us the clear conditions that we're seeing. It's going to do that again tomorrow, despite the fact that it moves a little bit further to the east, so expect lots of sunshine for your Friday. Then as we head into Saturday, we're going to start to see a little more cloud cover increase in the area. Those clouds are going to be streaming up from the south. And so all day long, you're just going to notice a gradual increase in clouds. By the time we hit Sunday, a cold front is going to slide down into South Texas, and that's going to combine with some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico that is going to give us a chance of some rain on Sunday. I think some scattered showers are likely to be around the area. And then as we get to Monday, that cold front's finally going to slide south of the area, bring in some cooler conditions. But a coastal trough is going to develop right here along the coastline, and that is going to continue that chance of rain as we head through the start of the work week. By the time we hit the middle of the week, though, we are going to watch another area of low pressure. This time it's going to be more at the top of the atmosphere, and this is going to start to slide over the state of Texas by the time we hit Tuesday and Wednesday, which is going to help keep those rain chances around. So I think from Sunday through about Wednesday of next week, we're actually looking at some scattered rain around the area. But then we got to talk about Thanksgiving, and we'll talk about that here on your 7-day forecast. First, though, let's get through tonight. Tonight's temperature only down to 44 degrees, so it's not going to be near as cold as what we've seen the last few nights, but it is going to be very chilly with those clear skies out there, so you're definitely going to notice a bit of a chill in the air for you this evening. Be sure to grab a jacket. 44 tomorrow morning, making up to 69, though, by lunchtime because the sunshine is going to warm us up fast, and then 72 degrees for that afternoon high. Once again, those winds are going to be fairly light for tomorrow. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast, brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So we've got abundant sunshine for our Friday, but as we get into Saturday, as I mentioned earlier, that increase in clouds is going to definitely be noticed by the latter half of the day. As we get into Sunday, the rain chances return as that cold front really begins to move closer to the area. 74 degrees, though, on Sunday. Cold front passes, and look at this. We're back down to around 57 degrees for most of the day on Monday. Those rain chances stick around through the middle of next week, but temperatures do begin to rise back up to the 60s, and then it's a long way out, but we've already got your Turkey Day forecast in there, looking at 68 degrees, maybe a stray shower or two, but overall, it's going to be feeling a good bit like Thanksgiving. Sonia?